games from both teams, especially itong Negros 4-game losing streak. Ito ng mga Davao. Again, yung departure ni Jeff Comia, really malaking trabaho para kay Coach Bonnie Garcia, especially yung defensive.
June Manzo. Nabong is open for three. Yes.
Favorite spot.
First quarter. That's a kick ball.
Oh, no call.
No call. Nabong on the move.
Good
Drop
pass
pass to Arana.
Green light. In their last game, he was 9 out of 23 from the field. So kahit ganong karaming tira niyan, ibibigay lang talaga ni Coach Bonnie Garcia.
Maraming salamat, Mika. And syempre, when you have players going and leaving, you have opportunities for other players.
Or maybe can be the leader of this Negros Muscovados team eventually.
Una drives left. Oh, great move. Galing kay James Una. Renz Palma. Tumatakbo ngayon. Palma.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Jeremy Cruz. Here's Igalo. Atake against Palma. Igalo getting aggressive. Wait lang.
Oo.
Ito ako. Titira ko na tres. Pabanda pa.
That's all confidence.
Up. Palma goes all the
Di
way.
patapos.
Nice pass to the Flores. And it's Renz Palma putting on a show here. Coach, yung pagpakondisyon niya dito.
Oo, and this guy, si Pio kasi deceiving eh. Pero yung smarts niya, yung his basketball IQ.
Where I saw that combination, Gabriel and Formento. I remember. And Bonnie Garcia. Sa San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo.
Bonbon to Lohera. Atake si Kurt. Layup, no go. To Malip with the tip in. Field goal shooting in that first quarter. Lorenzo. Gabriel pick and pop. Yes.
Actually, and magandang pick up eh. Kasi yung nakikita kong pinick up ni Coach Bonnie Garcia for the Negros are quality point guards sila.
Parang kinonvert niya eh. Maraming kinonvert na player itong si Coach Bonnie early in the season. The Flores fakes the handoff, takes the shot and knocks it down.
You know, it started when they step up defensively sa Delta. Mas naging aktibo sila defensively, mas gumagalaw na sila.
Lorenzo. Now with Kani, taken away by Lohera. Lohera with a finish. Kani.
Good move.
Nice move. Hubert Kani. Binigay kay Lohera. From outside. Could not get the bounce. B-Boy Engio on the putback.
I like the activity down low, no?
Oh, Palma. Flores on the putback. Six drives right at Flores. Natapikan ni Ramos. Here's Engio over Ramos.
Tuloy-tuloy ito kasi streak shooter itong player na ito.
Tabay will pull up off the glass and in.
Basic.
Flores, he'll step into this three and knock it down.
And second half nitong game na to. And you know, for Davao Occidental, if they wanted really to maximize itong si Arthur De La Cruz, siguro mas dapat pang big man na talaga eh.
Oo.
Ngayon nakitang-kita mo na it is around 6'4", 6'5". Kasi before medyo Yankee.
Scored a couple of baskets here in the third. Negros naghahanap pa ng una nilang basket, binigay agad ni Renz Palma.
Especially going to his right.
Relish that opportunity. One of them is Renz Palma, who now has 10 points in the ball game. Engio with a response.
Yeah.
Agaw ni Engio. B-Boy leaves it to Art for the 2 points. Saves it to Flores. Raflores to Palma. Palma is blocked by Engio. Raflores puts it back in.
Oh, J.R. Flores.
Tough shot. Palma is ahead of the pack. Great pass by Gabriel. The hang time from Renz Palma.
Yeah, favorite move.
Bakit? Ighalo on the other end with a strong finish.
And you know, I have
Manzo back the other way. June Manzo with a finish.
and that's a guy that I think nila really needs to step up and play consistently. Etong si Jun Manso.
But Hubert Cani was just looking. And he knocks down that jumper, 46 to 43. De La Cruz
move.
with a reverse. Palma. Palma. Three-pointer. Pasak yan.
Feeling it.
Palma with the steal.
Oo, ayan na naman. Bicol on the run. Ay, Negros on the run.
And Renz Palma. One of the finest finishers in the open.
Parang isang player na lang yung nakakahawak ng bola all the way to the basket eh.
Oh, Baila. Able to score. Baila will make his move. Baila
Good defense
inside.
there by Atabay.
Nabong, couple of fakes, and Kelly Nabong puts it in for two. Natin. As Lohera misses the layup. Nabong inside. Kelly. 9 points para kay Kelly Nabong.
Nakashoot
Lingo,
pa.
wala. Raflores, no. Una, blocked. Palma gets the loose ball and will lay it in for two. That won't go. Palma to Una. James Una will lay it in. Lingo right in front of him. Manzo got the step. The kick out to Ighalo.
Great defense by the Muscabados.
Manzo puts it in for two. Ighalo against Palma. Gets it to Art De La Cruz. The jumper is good.
Oo, and again, especially if you have guys like Art De La Cruz.
Effective siya na ganun eh.
Oo naman sa Del.
Longa with the runner. He'll get the bounce. Balik sa anim ang kadamangan ng Davao.
After changing yung five nila, Bonbon Custodio, Kurt Loreja, si Tumalip, Kelly Nabong, and Baila, nag-iba na itsura sa Delphi.
Una gets the loose ball.
Side
Una
step.
with a move. A sidestep. Beauty galing kay James Una.
Factor in this ball game, but he knows his role to this Negros Muscovados team.
Oh, put back. Galing kay June Manzo.
You're gonna switch this everything.
That's short. Tumalip gets the loose ball. Baila to Manzo. And Negros will fall short against the Davao Occidental Tigers. The Tigers escape.